We're here na po sa Casa Simeon. We have Miss Jessica here. So we're gonna divide and conquer yung mga boys. The chef is waiting for you to cook, so I will give this to you.
Okay,
You guys are cooking.
Yes.
Well, you have to do both. You'll learn. It's okay. I believe in you guys. And then yung mga girls, of course, pwede po ba mag-house tour, Miss Jessica?
Of course.
We would love to learn more about the house and of course, the history of Bicol, so we're excited.
Yes, lakad-lakad lang tayo. Happy.
Love it.
Paglulutuan nila tayo.
Love it! Face card lang, diba? Casa Simeon has been a landmark in Bacacay, Albay for generations. Built in the early 1920s, this heritage house has remained the cherished home of the Alparce family, standing as a proud testament to the town's rich history and enduring charm. Yung house, nag-survive po during war. A lot of things happened. Why is that?
When the family found out that the Japanese were about to invade Bacacay, tumakas sila sa gabi to go to an island. And then, they left their house. After the war, when they came back, everything was intact.
That's fine.
Perfect conditions.
Sa ngayon, ginawa ng bed and breakfast ang Casa Simeon. Kung ang trip mo ay ma-experience ang matulog sa bahay ni Lola, pero aesthetic, ilista mo na to sa iyong next Albay adventure.
Tapos syempre siguro nagtanong kayo bakit Casa Simeon ang name ng place. Sa lahat ng pangalan na pwede. So this is Simeon Alparce. Siya ang reason why this place was called Casa Simeon. Chef Rico, who I think you've met, is third generation. He is the youngest son of Benita Calleja, who is the only surviving child na lang of Simeon and Beatriz.
Mukha mo siya. Ang ganda niya, medyo hawig kami ay. Nisa, baka kamag-anak talaga ako, madam.
Baka nga, no? Baka ikaw si Donya sa...
Ako yung nawawala nung tumakas kayo, di niyo ako nabalikan.
Insert mo yung picture mo dito, ha? Chef.
Ito talaga, ayan.
Ang long lost owner ng bahay na to.
Pasablang Casa Simeon. At hindi lang sa gera nakasurvive ang bahay kahit taon-taon tinatamaan ng bagyo ang Bicol, standing strong pa rin dahil sa combination ng kahoy, bato, at bakal sa structure ng bahay. Bongga ang atake!
Itong stairs, actually, kung titingin kayo doon, may trapdoor dyan. Kinover lang namin, so dati pwede bumaba dito.
Atak talaga si At, talagang pwede mother. Ako nga, lakat pa siya.
Ito po ba?
Sa taas, pinakataas. That opens to the floor na sa taas. Oh, medyo mabigat.
Mabigat siya.
Bago kami umakyat sa second floor ng Casa Simeon, ano na kaya ang nangyayari kina Jisoo at Richard sa kitchen?
So the second floor is the main living quarters. Kaya there are two entrances. This is where the family would go up. Dito would be where the workers or if there's work that has to be done, dito po ang entrance. So dito ang main entrance talaga. So kung feel mo na donya ka, dito ka dadaan.
Ang yaman-yaman naman pala niyo.
Yung Sassa at Sassa.
Yaya, ilabas ang orange juice. Mga ganun dapat yung mga atake mo, diba?
To show wealth kasi before, kung titingnan nyo po yung floor, hindi siya yung malalaki, diba, na wood panels. So, para ipakita mo na may pera ka, dapat medyo maliit at may design, diba? Alternate yung color. Para
Flex ang pamilya.
Para nag-flex, ipakita, ay kaya namin magbayad ng tao.
These are the ways that they would ventilate the room. So you can actually, not this one, open this one. You can open and close this one. These are called ventanillas. They would use this to ventilate the room because it's their AC.
Yan mismo ang CCTV ng panahon.
Ay, oo nga, bakla pwede kang sumili. Ito pala yung CCTV. Manual.
Staying or even just visiting Casa Simeon is like stepping into a living museum, but with the comfort of modern touches. It honors heritage while supporting sustainable tourism in the province. If you want to truly understand Bacacay's soul, Casa Simeon is where culture, history, and hospitality all come together.